Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos for grade 10th ICSE batch 2021-22. So we have started with cell division, and in cell division we have part B, that is structure of chromosomes. Fine. So we will be doing and talking about the structure of chromosome in detail. Please watch the video till the end. Structure of chromosomes. First of all, I'll just give you a brief. कैसा दिखता है chromosome? So a brief structure would be this. Is the structure of a chromosome. But how does it get to this structure? Fine. When we make a nucleus, what do we draw? This is a nucleus. We draw a structure like this. Chromatin material बोलते हैं जिसको. So how does this chromatin material convert to form this structure? First of all, we all know that it occurs during cell division. Otherwise, in a resting stage, it is always present as a chromatin material. But during the cell division, it forms these structures, these butterfly-like structures known as chromosomes. So we will be talking about the formation of a chromosome. So first of all, what all are the things or what all are the components which are required for formation of a chromosome? We require DNA, or you can say a DNA is there. Histone proteins, they combine to form a DNA. We will be talking about the formation of DNA. If I'll be more specific, so it is 8 histone proteins. We'll talk about it. Okay, so these form the whole chromosomes. First of all, I'll start from the basic thing. Suppose here in the blood, maybe this is a section of blood. So this is the DNA which we have, and in the blood only there are histone proteins which are present, formed by the liver, that is there in the blood already. Now we have to form or chromosomes are to be formed. What will happen? First of all, these histone proteins, 8 histone proteins are going to come together. It's not a 3D structure, so I cannot make 8. So it's 4 here, 4 here and 4 on the back again. So these histone proteins are going to cluster in a pair of 8 histone proteins, 8 histone proteins. And this DNA is going to go and coil over these. This structure formed when 8 histone proteins plus DNA, they coil over each other, is known as a nucleosome. This is a question, a 1-marker question. What is a nucleosome? Nucleosome is a structure formed when 8 histone proteins are coiled by a DNA. That ball-like structure which is formed is a nucleosome. Now these nucleosomes are formed inside the blood. Now after this, these nucleosomes will come around. I'll make one round for each. So one nucleosome, they will again come and join like this in the form of chains. This structure is known as chromatin material, which we generally have in the cell. Now, when the cell division starts, this chromatin material will coil and supercoil like this to form this butterfly-like structure known as chromosome. This is how a chromosome is formed. DNA, which is there in the blood, histones which are there in the blood, they come together to form nucleosomes. 8 histone proteins fixed. It's not 7, it's not 6. 8 histone proteins are coiled by the DNA to form a ball-like structure known as nucleosomes. Where many nucleosomes, they come together to form this thread-like structure known as chromatin material, which is there in a nucleus. As and when cell starts dividing, this chromatin material condenses or thickens or supercoils to form this butterfly-like structure known as chromosome. So this is how a chromosome is formed. Next we have our DNA. अब हमें पता है we have already discussed about this formation, but what about this molecule? So we will talk about it a bit. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a double helical structure. It is a, I'll not make that in detail. If you want to see that in detail, you can watch the videos for grade 12th, 11th, specifically biomolecules. You'll be able to get the detailed structure. It's a very general one. So it is a double stranded structure with a helical shape. Inside this, it has, in each coil, it has these nucleotides present, which kind of bind them. So this is a structure. So what do you need to know? That DNA is a double stranded structure. There are two strands which coil around each other, and it is a helix. It is a double helix भी बोलते हैं. It is a helix or a spiral structure which has nucleotides present here. Now, what are the nucleotides? We will talk about them. Or generally, what do we say? That DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. That means many nucleotides, they come together to form DNA. So what is a nucleotide? Nucleotide is a structure wherein we have a pentose sugar. This is a sugar structure, cyclic structure for sugar. Fine. Sugar is organic chemistry mein, sugar is made like this. So this will have a nitrogenous base here plus a phosphate group attached here. This whole is a nucleotide. So what do we have in a nucleotide? In a nucleotide, there is a phosphate group, a pentose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base are 4: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. And we have uracil in RNAs when we talk about RNA. So there are 4 nitrogenous bases. Now, if this is one nucleotide, we have to have another here, क्योंकि यहाँ तो हमने पेयर में बनाया है. So how are they present? This is the phosphate group. Then we have the pentose sugar here, nitrogenous base. Another nucleotide will be parallelly placed here. And a very important fact, that if we have adenine here, this is the nitrogenous base, no, this one. So if we have adenine here, there should be thiamine here, because adenine always pairs with or bonds with thiamine. Guanine always pairs with cytosine. Fine. So there is a double bond between them and double bond between guanine and cytosine. अगर यहाँ adenine है, यहाँ thiamine होएगा. अगर thiamine है यहाँ, तो यहाँ adenine होएगा. And there will be a double bond between them. Fine. The bond which is formed here is a hydrogen bond, which is a very weak bond. It is easily, it can easily break, which leads to replication of the DNA. So this is a nucleotide. You must know the 3 components of the nucleotide: a phosphate group, pentose sugar, and nitrogenous bases. What are the 3 nitrogenous bases? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thiamine. Adenine always pairs with thiamine. Guanine always pairs with cytosine. Double bond between adenine and thiamine and triple between the others. When we pair them, this is how the pairing takes place. So if I may show you this in a DNA molecule, तो ये वाला जो one, suppose this one, this is this structure. This is a magnified view of this. Fine. So the nitrogen, these nucleotides, they join in to form the whole DNA का structure. And in the last, gene is the basic unit of DNA. अगर हम एक DNA को uncoil कर देते हैं, suppose ये coiled DNA है, and we uncoil this DNA, straight कर देंगे, तो we will see ये nitrogenous bases है on both the sides. ये सारा nitrogenous bases है, पर बीच में हमें क्या दिखेगा? We have these nitrogenous bases here. यहाँ अगर एडेनिन है, यहाँ पे थायामीन होगा. यहाँ पे अगर कोई और ग्रुप है, नाइट्रोजनस बेस है, इस तरह से we will find them like this. Fine. So this is a gene. This triplet code is a gene. Fine. One gene, another. So gene कोई अलग से और बाहर का पोर्शन नहीं है. It is a segment present on the DNA. Fine. So this is all about the structure of chromosome. I have told you how this butterfly-like structure is formed from the nucleosomes. Then we have discussed the structure of DNA, nucleotide, and how they are paired to form the DNA. In our next video, we will start with the next chapter, that is genetics. Fine. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.